My name is Andrew, and I work here at in a horticultural course. It's a food and farming course. And the job I really do around here is the inventory and sort of keeping track of all the fruits and vegetables as they go to our different customers. I'm also communicate between the farm and the chefs as to what they want every day. But we're all responsible for the cultivating of all the fruits and vegetables. Everybody takes part in that. So that's largely what I do. So the interesting thing that I found working here is we have to work with the wildlife that's out here. We have rabbits and birds, and there was a bird nesting right in the row where we wanted to cultivate our plants. And so what we had to do was cultivate around the bird. We left that one space open and we watched that bird hatch her eggs and watch her babies getting born. So I thought that was kind of fun and interesting.